Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fit another HALO Mini on this really lovely Range Rover Velar. It has a thing called keyless block. So the way the system arms, as soon as we open the door, you'll see we'll get two flashes and the system will give us keyless block. As you see, can't start the vehicle, okay? So now every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, he's got 10 seconds to insert the code. So let's just open the door, jump in the vehicle, insert the code on here. We've done something very basic. So tap, 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 tap. We've got an indicator flash, ignition on, and we can start the vehicle. Really simple, really straightforward. If you want to change the code, obviously we need to have the system disarmed, so let's not open the door. So ignition on, tap the accelerator to the floor 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll get two flashes and we're going to do the code quickly. So 1, 2, 3, 1, ignition off, one flash, code is now learnt. Okay, so let's just open and close the door, turn on the ignition, obviously keyless block again, so go tap, 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 one flash, ignition on, start the vehicle. Really simple, really straightforward. If you want to get one of these fitted, as I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. This is the new HALO Mini. Give us a call on 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.